Good morning, grade ones. How are you guys? I'm good. Do you know what time is it now? It's time for maths time. 1 plus 1 is 2. Oh, today we're going to do something very interesting. And I'm sure you can see what I have today. And it's very interesting. But before, can you all stand up for me? We're gonna count from 1 to 50, but we're gonna do something different today. When we're counting, we'll be clicking. And you know what's the catch? So while we're counting and clicking, when we get to 10, we clap. We get to 20, we clap. We get to 30, we clap. 40, we clap. 50, we clap. And we know what's the tricky part? The tricky part is when you get to 50, we're not gonna start again from 0. We're gonna go backwards. Do you think you guys can do that? You guys sound very great. I believe in you. I know you guys are very smart. You can do this. So can you do it? In 3, 2, 1. Let's start. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Remember, there's a tricky part. What are we doing now? Exactly. We're counting backwards now. Let's start. So it's 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Well done, guys. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, and 30. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, and 20. 19, 18, 17, 8. Oh no, is it 18? No, ma'am. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Well done, guys. That was very, very interesting. You know what we're going to learn today? After we counted so beautiful, and you saw my fruits that I have for today, I'm going to teach you guys more and less. When someone talks about more, what comes to mind? Let's see ideas. You know, when someone says more, they're talking about adding. It means they adding. Is that fine, grade ones? So when someone talks about more, they mean that they're adding on what they have. And if you have to take it to mathematics and it's a sum, we're saying it's a plus. It's addition. So you are adding something. And if someone says it's minusing, it means they're taking away. They're not adding anything. So if you hear someone saying less than, it means it's taking away and it's a minus. Adding, it's a plus. And taking away, it's a subtraction. Of which you're doing what? You're taking away. So what we're going to do now, we're going to focus on adding. So, do you think you guys understand the concept? Do you think we can try some examples? So what you can do now, take out your whiteboard quickly for me. Let's see if people are going to understand this. So what you're going to do is, you're going to write only the answers. So if I have 1 oranges and I go and I buy another orange, how many oranges do I have in total? You guys are right. It's 2. What did I do? I added. And is it less or more? Well done. It's more now. Remember, I only had 1. Now I have 2. So now 2, it gives us more. I plus. It's like 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Well done. If you have to minus now, is you're going to write your answer on your board. But we're doing it together because this is an example. So if I have 3 of this and I go to the shop and I buy another one, it means that I'm doing what? I'm adding on top of what I have. And that means it's more, it's plus. It's 3 plus 1 gives us 4. That's more. And now we're going to look at less. So what we're talking about less is you're taking away. Every time when a teacher or someone tells you about less, you must just think about taking something away. So if I say to you, I went to the shop and I had 50 rand and I gave away or I used some money, you must know that I'm taking away, meaning that is minus. So when we're looking at that, if I have 2 oranges and I give away to, let's say Kirara, give Kiara 1 orange, and now I'm left with 1. What did I do? At the beginning, I had 2 oranges and I gave away to Kiara 1 and I'm left with 1. Then, did I do less or more? Done. You guys are very smart for me. Yes, it was less because what did I do? I take away. So now, I'm going to give you some quickly. Are you guys ready? In 3, 2, what? Remember, before we start, you write your answer on your board. No shouting out answers, my sweeties. Is that okay, grade ones? Well done. Now, let's say, we're doing more or less. So you're going to write your answer and you tell me if it's more or less. So, I go to the shop and I buy 5 oranges and I give away 2 of them. So how many oranges am I left with? Oh, let's see, what's the answer? Let me see your boards. Okay, I see. Well done, you guys are very smart. What was it, more or less? Yes, well done, it was less. I had 5 oranges and I gave away 2. So in the 5, I took away 2 and I'm left with 3. I see your answers. Let's do one more time. So if I have, let's say, 10 oranges and I go to the shops and I buy extra 2 because I love oranges. How many oranges do I have now? You need to write how many and if it's more or less. Okay, let me see. As I walk around, show me your whiteboard. Don't shout out any answers. Don't help your friend. Look at your own work. Yes. Oh, you guys are very smart. Very smart. I love the answer. So what's the answer? Everyone can shout out. It's 12. Remember I said I had 10 oranges, but because I love oranges, I went and I bought extra 2. So now we have 12. And was it less or more? It was more because I added on top of what I had. Does that make sense, guys? Okay, please put away your books now. Put away your books, put away your whiteboard, everything away. We're going to do some small groups. So you 3 going to be together and you 3 going to be together and you 3 going to be together. What you guys going to do is I'm going to give you guys something to do. But before we do that individually in our desk, now we're going to do it in groups. So what we're going to do is, are you guys listening? Yes, one of you guys, and you guys going to help each other. So you are 3, and are you guys happy? Yes, that's how we're going to work in our small groups. So the first question is, you're listening. So I have 5 lollipops and I give away 2 lollipops. How many lollipops am I left with? You have to write the answer and tell me if it's more or less. You can write for more and L for less. Is that fine? I'm going to repeat the number 1 again. The first one I said, I have 5 lollipops and I give away 2 lollipops. How many lollipops am I left with? Okay, don't shout out the answer. You guys help each other and you write it on your books. And now, the second one is, I have 40 sweets. And because kids love sweets, so I buy another 10 sweets. How many sweets am I left with? Or I have. It can be left or I have. Because I can't tell you if it's more or less. But I believe you guys are very smart, you will tell me. Okay, and the last one is I've got 10 cupcakes and I decided to give 5 kids 5 cupcakes. How many cupcakes am I left with? Did you guys hear that? Did you get that correct? I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes to do everything. Is that fine? Okay, I'm just going to walk around and please don't make noise. Just work together. Good answers. Oh, guys, I'm proud of you. Great answers. Great answers. Well done. Great ones. Oh, that's nice. And look at the sum, sweetie. Think, is it takeaway or is it Eddie? If I'm saying I'm buying more, what do you think? What comes to mind when you hear more? Yes, just like that. Yes, you guys are very smart. Yes, well done. Are you guys ready? I'm going to count now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And one of you guys going to come in front and show us your answers. Is that okay? So I'm going to sit down and you're all going to come in front and show us your answers. Is that okay? I love